Hello guys to my channel. First, let me introduce myself. I'm an ICT student. I've been studying the concept for maybe the last 12 months or 13 months. I've opened this channel specifically to share everything related to ICT. My goal is to simplify trading and to shift your attention to things maybe you have missed while studying the concepts. Before we start the actual video, please excuse my flawed English. It's my third language. I don't use it on everyday basis. Thus, I don't speak it fluently. Anyway, let's get started. In this video, I wanted to share with you guys a secret or a confluence, if you may. I believe this is the missing piece from the 2022 model. This will surely, and I'm 100% certain that it will increase your win rate and decrease your losing streaks. If you have studied 2022 mentorship on YouTube from Michael, and you practiced it and paper traded it or even went live after several months of learning, I'm sure you notice the market prints the textbook model. You take the trade and it fails, leaving you confused. Although the exact criteria was met, yet you became liquidity. Now, I promise you, if you stick till the end of this video and take notes, I'm sure you will leave with something valuable. Now, before we start the actual sauce, before we start to the business, I just want to do a quick refresher about the ICT 2022 model. So basically, we would have, if we have a bearish bias, let's say we have a bearish bias, all right? You open the chart and you want to go lower. What you want to see is some sort of buy side liquidity, all right? Let's put it right here. Buy side liquidity here. This would be buy side liquidity. Now, buy side liquidity can be equal highs. It can be maybe previous session's high, previous week high, or previous day high, or the London maybe the London high session, maybe the lunch hour high if you want to trade a PM session for indices. So you have anything, it must be obvious. All right guys. Anyway, so the price will maybe generate some liquidity here, engineer liquidity, equal highs, and here like this, and boom. All right, so price will raid the liquidity here and maybe do this and displacement. All right, so it broke this recent swing, leaving a fair value gap here. So what you want to do is just enter on the fair value gap and target sell side. So this is basically the 2022 model. It is simple yet effective, but a lot of you guys are trading patterns. All right, so you are all seeking for every time price will hit liquidity pool, you are anticipating a reversal. All right, so price doesn't always reverse when it hits liquidity. Maybe it will generate like a small a fake market structure shift here, and then just rally higher. All right, maybe that fake market structure shift just filled or balanced a higher time frame, all right, fair value gap. So a lot of you guys are trapped here on this fake market structure shift. I know it happened to you because it happened to me also. So now what I have discovered is that when price takes liquidity, let's just come back here. When price takes liquidity pool here, buy side liquidity, and above this buy side liquidity, like here, above this buy side liquidity, there is a higher time frame PD array. Alright, this higher time frame PD array can be either an order block, like I said, it can be an order block, a breaker block, a rejection block, or a fair value gap. So when price take this liquidity here and then hit a higher time frame PD array, there's a high probability it will revert. Alright guys, I have discovered this from backtesting. Like here, this is my journal. I'm gonna show you some examples here. Let's start with this one. So like you see here, this is the PM session, Nasdaq. We have price, alright, price targeted the lunch hour high and hit a fair value gap, a higher time frame fair value gap. I'm gonna show you. So this is a 30-minute fair value gap. It took the buy side liquidity, hit a fair value gap, and then look at that. This is the perfect 2022 model. This is textbook. It can be more clearer. Now let's do a live example. This is FX Replay tool. I'm gonna show you something here. Alright. So we are expecting bearish prices. Why? Because here we took liquidity. From here, and the order flow is also bearish. So I'm expecting a continuation to the downside. Although this strategy doesn't require a bias, I deducted this from my journal. Anyway, this journal can be it's totally free if you want it. It has everything. Look at this. This is just. I know you will find a great value from it. If you want it, just I'm gonna leave my Twitter account down below in the description. Just follow me and DM me and I'll send it to you. Alright? It's totally free. And this, if you can click open here, you will find images of the trades I took. Anyway, so we are expecting the bearishness. Let's go to the 15 minutes. A 5 minute, and let's go to the PM session. Alright guys, so I'm gonna fast forward here. The PM session here. If you want me to do a video of if you want me to show you how to trade the PM session, just comment down below and I'll do it. So as you can see here, let's just fast forward. Now if you want to trade the PM session and want to go lower, you want to see the opposing liquidity get taken. All right, what is opposing liquidity here? So the PM session, the lunch hour high. which is this, and it happens to be equal highs also. So this is equal highs, the large our highs. All right, you want to see this taken, or maybe this one, I don't care, just see buy side taken. All right, and we also have here, this is just, this is, look at it, this is a breaker. All right guys, this is a breaker and a fair value gap inside. You only need one PD array, so you don't need to be two to take the trade. So what do we want is we want to take those here. After we take the buy side liquidity here, and we arrived here in this higher time frame PD array, we go to the 3 minute. I don't want, so this is the rule, all right guys, you don't want to go to the 1 minute. The 1 minute is so it's conflicting. You will see a lot of signals there. All right, so stick with the 2 minute or the 5 minute. It's clear. So we fast forward. We want to see a displacement, an energetic displacement below this recent swing. All right, fast forward. All right, so we got this displacement. All right, so this is an energetic displacement. You see the size of these candles. This is what we want to see. So we have two confluences. We have three. We have the order flow, which is bearish. We have taken buy side liquidity, and we also hit a higher time frame PD array. So if you want to enter, you want to enter on this fair value gap. I'm just gonna do this here. You want to enter in here. The stop loss must be at above the recent swing, and target this. I'm gonna target 2.5. This is my default RR, but it's forward. This is just perfect, guys. This is, you may say all right, this is hindsight and it's easy to backtest it. Look at this, all these trades, and not just this. Look, I backtested this on Euro also. All these trades using the same model, guys. And and this is my strategy now. This is why I trade while live. I swear of God, guys, if you go to your journal and filter out the trades, or the trades that satisfy these conditions, buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity got taken and hit a higher time frame PD array. This will increase your win rate dramatically, guys. Believe me. Again, if you want this journal to share it with you guys, just follow me on Twitter and DM me. All right, guys. So this is the end of this video. This is my first video ever. So please don't criticize me. I'm gonna learn in the future. All right, guys. Leave a comment if you have any question. I'll answer it. And yeah, goodbye, guys. See ya.